don't believe in love stories, but for the first time since you came around, feels like I'm losing all my sins. I get butterflies, it's like I'm hypnotized, yeah. Stuck, girl, I'm lost when I look into your eyes. Know you a real one, I know that you gon' ride. Damn, been so long, but you making it feel right. It feels like, oh yeah. Love is in the air, it's in the breeze. Cupid must have shot you next to me. Love is in the air, it's in the breeze. Cupid must have shot you next to me, yeah. What can I say, girl, I'm feeling ways. You changed the way I think, the way I'm seeing things. Your love can do no wrong, girl, you got all the reins. Up under your spell, girl, I hallucinate. Kill me with just a kiss. Turn you on, know where we headed after this. Seeing hearts, hope I'm not dreaming all of this, yeah. What you doing to me? What you doing to me? Stuck, girl, I'm lost when I look into your eyes. Know you a real one, I know that you gon' ride. Damn, been so long, but you making it feel right. It feels like, oh yeah. Love is in the air, it's in the breeze. Cupid must have shot you next to me. Love is in the air, it's in the breeze. Cupid must have shot you next to me.
I lost my peace of mind, getting caught up in the signs. Trying to find reason behind all the troubles in my sight. They said maybe tomorrow you're gonna die. Reading from the lines in the palm of my hand. Now I'm watching all the sand falling from these hourglasses, just waiting for a casket. Already Grim Reaper, come get me feeling so heavy, thinking about whatever the devil is gonna send me. Devil is gonna send me. I'm trying to savor my luck. I'm about to 4-leaf clovers. I'm superstitious enough to think that my days are over. Tempting as it seems to let myself believe all the signs that meet them. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm questioning the way it works. What did I do to deserve this change of rhythm so bitter? I'm getting butthurt by almost everything. It's unsettling. Focus on better things. Stop hiding in your euphemisms, believing your superstition, following your intuition. Ain't no way so good for you. I know if you bring red, the bad will come to you. That doesn't mean that all the black cat bullshit is actually true. Nah, don't need my fortune told to tell me I've got unrequited love. I got issues with my trust, got a conscience that's enough for me. That it's